Sini para bisingo, sini mo keramat siarok tongo, sini neighbors rock, sabo kok sanai sini dopani bagai, sengonek somai tamung itang, omo ba angma sau dini na hai salo hai se, baksa borok sini bisingo, educated yang thangkang ke, belai siku kahangkang ke, kaisa stage sogui kahangke. Sini mungrok no pogui thango, culture rok no pogui thango, chamung rok no pogui thango, resamung musamung rok no pogui thango, agini Sri City ni rider rok no pogui thango, kintu abono educated hini maya, abono kereng hini mania, abono rungsuka hini mania, rungsuka hini bupuru hini kangke, zepuru nung educated yang mani logi. Nini culture no nung hamzak nai, educated yang mani logi, nini identity no hamzak nai, educated yang mani logi, nini hukumu, nini camung rok na hamzak nai, afro se soy dopo na hamzak nai ingai sing basao, onek somai sini bisingo, Delhi High City o sing pori nani thangkang ke, Bangalore High City o pori nani thangkang ke. Punjab High City o pori nani thangkai, Chennai High City o pori nani thangkang ke, seng lasi jago, sini berema betai samung no sanani, gudok sanani lasi jago, sakai sanani lasi jago, muihan sanani lasi jago, kintu aboya takuk bukuk song, aboya khazani angpayung song, seng 제꾸누 자고 제꾸누 스테이트 제꾸누 시티 워 thangpano. Sini o samung rok no pokna ni kogya, sini o kanmung chumung rok no pokna ni kogya, sini serengmung sini culture rok no pokna ni kogya. Tini norok hai students rok, norok hai serengnai rok, norok hai educated rok, judi culture no pogui thangkang ke, samung no pogui thangkang ke, musamung resabung no pogui thangkang ke. How can we expect to the people who doesn't have even knowledge regarding that? We have to think. Sengwan sukai kelayo hai se. Tini sini hani bubagra, sini dop hano muthangani bagai. Greater Tipraland sanai tongo. Almost Tripura Rajya nini 2010 ni the census report 2011 haimani mote seng 12 lakh haiti prasad sini tongo kungbara rok tabuk judi 2024 on ainen thangkang ke I think it will cross even 15 lakhs also. O 15 lakh borok ni bisingo gobang ma borok saimania Greater Tipraland tamo Maharaj Sani tongmani land rights tamo Article 2 and 3 tamo, political rights tamo, economic development tamo, sabo kok na sanai. It's you. Sini bisingo se, seng parawo thangai kok ma sanai. Greater Tipraland tamo seng borok na ma buzuk nai. Land rights tangi seng nangi tong seng sini dopano ma buzuk nai. Sini unity tangi seng nang seng sini hani borok rok no ma buzuk nai zepro norok sak do siwoi norok ni simung ka norok ni weapons norok ni education sing ka norok ni weapons norok ni knowledge sing ka norok ni weapons hai se zepro norok knowledge norok ni simung norok ni education orjon klai dop hawo kok sanani bage basanai afruno dop harok kha sinai. Tini sini bisingo kebang mat challenges tongo, challenges tamo. Tini agiwas Mizoram state rogonogo, one of the most drug addicted state in India. But the fact changes today. It's not Mizoram, but our own state Tripura has become one of the most addicted with drugs. Borong niseng bagi awareness renai. Sabo borong no kok saboi se lama kahamo phunungnan bagai tunai nor ki expect the khai parawo tongnai sini okra sakra ro jeborok omono tui knowledge kre jeborok omono tui saimania borok basawi phai andolon khlaitu hunai borok basawi phurungtu hunai. No, my dear friends, sini bisingo se basawi omono sung awareness marnai sini bisingo basawi sung borok nama phurungnai tini kubuni to pharok conspiracy khlaye sungno sirkamanan bagai kaise chaitok mumbai o drugs hairok no sini siklarok ni thani tu buoi re phayo o siklarok jepuru drugs addicted injak borok baike do phani kok saimanai. How they will know the importance of Greater Tipraland when they themselves are addicted with drugs? How they'll know about the land rights when they themselves are addicted with drugs? Amoni bage ang sanan musma kaobose kubuni do pharok ni conspiracy no judi sing mathakna ni kai among ka ek matro student ni phan srung tongnai rok ni phan sini educated rok ni phan judi jotto thansa ka basa khangke bongni conspiracy no we can stop TISF ni tini tamo motu tamo unity thansa buburu sengsa thansa ki oro TISF rok 500 jona borok get reng khangke no thansa hanchinai no thansa buburu senghan sini do pawo gabang ma tribes tongo kintu kubuni do pharok tamo khlai kubuni bosong rok tamo khlai sini o do pharok no divide and rule thungna nayo jemon jepuro British rock India o shason khaipuro almost 190 about 200 years shason khaikya tamo ke shason khlai mangkha boro India o phainu kha o jaga gabang ma jati tongo gabang ma caste tongo gabang ma dharma tongo omorok no judi dharma o sing divide khakyangke caste to divide khakyangke jati o divide khakyangke we can rule this country. After having such thoughts, such imaginations, they came to our country India and they have ruled almost 200 years. Kintu last tigi jeta uni father of the nations Sri Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi Songwan Suka Judi Sung Tini Kok Sayang Kenke Top Hanimagi Choba Klayangke Salsa Sini India Bo Tai Yogi Man Glak Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was a barrister from South Africa. Bobini barrister no yakare Nizini Hawa Paye Jotto je foreign dress ro kanman no yakare humble person khai botini duti kane chobawo nongkhoro jepuru nongkhoro agi sunggan ro khnao nini khorang no khnao jodi kebo hayangke saisung ma himnai saisung himte jepuru nung himna chengo ukul ko nasi kangke khorok se khorok ni nuknai tai bo bus kanga jodi nung ago ko himpro ukul ko nasi kangke hazar borok nuknai Mahatma Gandhi obo haino khlaikya himka onek struggle khaikya buzakha thapra rzakha satok zakha kintu chobano yakarya taibo bini weapon sobse tamon rok saimon tini pori nai rok bini weapon sengkai o hingsa ni bage andolon khaimani hingsa baya o hingsa bini je andolon khaima poke tini hazar borok India o kuthum laye thansange jotono Hindu Muslim Christian henia kare Punjabi Bihari Marwari henia kare thansange phaimani pore last dige we fought the battles and then we won after what Samanuka 1947 in 15 August kai India got independent. But then Tausini Han in Bagikok Sanan Gitamo 1949 in 15 October okay Tripura had merged with India Union. Tini merge mani pore, je time sung majority tongmani, tini sak di hawo, ayang narni influx ngi phaimani pore, sung tini microscopic minorities so convert ngi thangka. 1971 rogo, Jepro nini East Pakistan with West Pakistan coba nanglai tongo, Bangladesh no new countries ramna bagai, lakh sornati rok, lakh refugees rok, influx ngai sini yango phaimani pore, sung tini kaisa chikon sara jo Tripura tini sung kubuni to bharobai kuplongi sung minority sung thangka. Sung bethar sagi tongwi bo, sini kok kuna dam kerikya. Biswajit Debarma hai, sal ketang mal mata hai ke togoi bethar jago, kintu sini kuno rights kere. Robi Liton song hai, zeranya jagawo, bethar jang ma porebo, sini kuno rights kere. Kolpona Jamatia song hai, nini Visakhapatnam tlange, Pheno kotok sorry bethar jago, kuno rights kere. Koraksa officer SDM sini Sar Sukram Debarma Khakalabo guli khai bethar jago rights kere. Lahari Debarma songhai bethar jago no rights. Why? Because sung thansa kere. Maharaj siri khogai kabo sini thansa kere ni bagai. Riang nong na thangi sajang ke sung riang. Jamatia ni orang thangga ke sung Jamatia, Kaipeng ni orang thangga sung Kaipeng, Koloi ni orang thangga ke Koloi, Rupini, jotono division nengi thangka. Are baba sung judi thansanya hanggang ke, nengriya ngai, Rupini ngai, Jamatia ngai, Debarma ngai, Tripura ngai coba kaike, nini hano nengki pilih mana de? No. Judi sini hano ki puli mana ni ke not riang ang mo James Debarma ya puil ang James di prasang na ni nang nai Jepuro sini tribes na wan su ya kare as a one unity ngi sing wan su gana that time abonos unity no and Jepuro unity ngo agi kogota mo sa life hangno pojonto muri hor musingi mano Judi keni khabak sangke ang tini hai no hai okok no mujumano gerseng bupang asak kucuk no muri seng dahuli mano judi pali sak baksa hangke okok rok je sijak mani abo nang no nya kogya it has a really deep meaning and when we start to think that seng nuk nai hai se seng riang hanya woi Jamatia hanya woi, Koloi hanya woi, Tripura hanya woi, Debarma hanya woi, Rupini hanya woi, Thansa mahnai. Judi top hari bagai neng samung sukses kelainnya ningke. Nini bahan no judi blade by rawai betui nongko kangke, o tuyo riang tonglak, a tuyo Jamatia tonglak, a tuyo Debarma tonglak, tamo tongnai. Di prasani tiene tongnai. Judi sin joto si ti prasan kai. Why are we divided into our caste? Why are we divided with our tribe? That we have to think. And abo students eba seringnai sai tai kebo bisi saimania haise. Salsanoro IS officer kangke, TCS officer kangke. Top hani bagai nong ni je bangra wo responsibility fanai. A taimo Biswajit Debarma hai borok bethar jagi tongoi. Norok chup khai tong khangkai inglak. Robi Liton song thima pore chup khai tong khangkai inglak. Tini Robi Liton thiyo, Biswajit thiyo, Sukram Debarma thiyo, Kolpona Jamatia thiyo. Khana sini bisingobo sung bethar jak nai. Judi seng thansa khai tongnya woi seng divide engkang ke kubuni dok orok sengno monok nai amoni bagini bubagra kaisa message sengno ro first we have to be united before demanding anything to the government of India. And now let me tell you, anon kaisa example lisinai, thansa kai coba klaimani pore tamo sing success ka. Many of you must be knowing the world's largest political party is which party? Can anyone tell from here? Kebos Haideman world the largest political party, both party? Anyone? BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. How many members does they have? They have 198 million members. And you know all, 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. 198 means 19 crore 80 lakhs borok ni membership tongu. Kintu Thanai 2021. Let me repeat back again. You all will remember. I am telling about 2021. Zepro 2021. Sing Jomatia Hanya, Kaipeng Hanya, Riyang Hanya, Tripura Hanya, Devorma Hanya, Thansaka Choba Klaimani Pore, world the largest political party now. We have defeated in TTIDC. We have defeated. Not only that, Riyang Rokno, Sini Riyang Bro Rokno, Mizoram Rokotlange, Sornati Hage Toni Tonika, Kelo Kok Sanai Kure. Maharaj borok ni bagai kok saka kabang ma borok khangkabo impossible mania phiro kai tubi mania kintu sak no sing doubt khaya kare Maharaj fight khaimani pore at last tamnuka je India ni home minister Sri Amit Shah phaye sini Tripura hastewo declare marikha Riyang rok sornatia Tripurani basa Tripurani citizens Tripurani ha basa borok. That is all because of Thansa. Not only that, Tajik Samahai 2023 2023 wo Zepro State Assembly ni election sing fight kayo Thansa kaye with one voice unity kaye sing history again create kaya. Awani sekantam history tomani Ancholik party eba regional political party matro 8 seat last highest seat margo kintu 2023 wo Thansa ka choba khaimani pore sing 13 ta seat mane main opposition political party singangkha tangdor ni bisigo singnai o achievement by sing khusida o achievement by sini choba mathak sinai da o achievement by singoro na bathak sinada. No, my friends, this is just the beginning of our battles. This is just the beginning of our war. Omset by Payako, we have to get Greater Tripura land. Oh, Greater Tripura land mana ni thangka tam khalanjana. Angonek somai sabo. Zepuru nini Gorkha land, West Bengal ni kaisa sikonta parts borok bo separate state chano. Pray 31 days hai borok bon khalaikia. Kokjaka, Thui Kosoka, still government of India, borok no, kunu khanaya. Sengki wansugo, Agartala koyekbar andolan khaikino, Astabola andolan khaikino, Kumbulung ni ground andolan khaikino, Greater Tripura land government of India rena hinai. No, our movement should be more hardest than this. Sangori khade. Astronaut thupde, weapons sanamde. When I am talking about weapons, I am not talking about gun or something rifles. I am talking about your knowledge. Ang Zepur no weapons nikok sawo, norok ni simung no, norok ni ostro, norok ni simung no, norok ni weapons. O weapons no tiar kaji bus kang ni salo sung cobawo success na ni nangnai. Kubuni top harok ni conspiracy no, we have to make them fail. Seng Thansa ngi mabasane haisi. Ambaga angtai bisi kok loglia, norong ni tini ni hai phrases dewo, oba hai kok sana ni tongmaya. Biaba, top hani dukho, top hani kosto, top hani satok jakmani, kusub jakmani, sobse bisi jodi seng buji wongkangke sereng nai rok. Amon bagang tini norong no kok ma saka haisi. Blai blai ke hambai bus kang ni salo sini movement tai ba obani sai bisi sing khlainai TISF bo thansano iben sing TSF no hamjago TSF bo thansano sini dofa bo thansano jotto baksa palkai coba khlaimani bisingo bus kang ni salo sini hano tai sa kipil nanai bubagra ayog lok thong TISF ayog lok thong YTF dipramotha tai TISF ayog lok thong blai blai ke hambai